hide followers on Instagram? In the vibrant world of Instagram, sometimes you might want a bit of privacy without losing your social flair. One way to do this is by hiding your followers. Whether you are an influencer, a casual user, or somewhere in between, managing your followers' visibility can give you more control over your online presence. Here is how you can do it. Just follow all the steps one by one till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. First of all, open your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, you need to simply tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Let me inform you that there is no any particular button or icon from where we can directly hide our followers on Instagram, but there is an alternative way to do by which you can easily hide followers on Instagram. Simply select or scroll towards the down and under who can see your content, tap on account privacy. Here you can see private account, toggle on the bottom and then select switch to private. Once you have enabled private account, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. So that is how we do it. I hope this video worked for you, and then by following this simple step you can maintain your Instagram presence while keeping your followers list under wraps. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.